Hello fellas, in this video I want to show you how to crop using Filmora. Wondershare Filmora. So this is the same for any version of Filmora, whether you're using Filmora 8, Filmora 9, Filmora 10 or Filmora X. How you crop on Filmora. So here is my video. I'm going to drag and drop my video to my timeline there. So here is my video. So how do you crop a video in Filmora? So once you've dragged and dropped your video on your timeline, then you want to highlight that video. Now let's say, for example, I want to crop out this window. Maybe there is too much light coming from this window, so I wanna crop it out. So let me show you how you can crop out this part of the window to help you know how you can crop your video in whatever pattern or fashion that you want. So of course, first you want to highlight your video on your timeline, and then you can right click on it, and then there is a place written crop and zoom here, crop and zoom. Or if you don't want that, you can just come to these boxes here. If you click on this, crop brings you to this particular window. So here it's where you do your cropping. So cropping is simply removing some part or some section of the video that you don't want to appear in the video. It is so simple. Now this video of course is custom, it's not the YouTube original video ratio, but that one you can always change here. Here trend ratio, right now it's custom at something, but of course the YouTube ratio is always 16:9 ratio. So let me just say it's 16:9 ratio. Now when you just click on that, it just gives you a particular dimension, the correct dimension for YouTube. Now from here you can move this window the way you want. So which part do you want to show? For me, I don't want to show that window. I only want to show the lady in the middle there, and I want to crop out this part of the window here. Just like that, you have cropped out that part. And that's how you crop out a particular part of the video. Now, of course, you can play around with this thing the way you want. You don't just have to drag and drop this part. You can always hold here and then drag like that. You can always hold here and drag. You can always hold whatever section you want, you can hold and drag the way you want, up to your preference. Then of course, once you're done, just click OK, and then of course you take the dimension as you crop them. So let's see the video and see if that particular window is out of the view. Now you see that I've cropped out the window, and now the window is not in view in this video. So as simple as that, that is how you crop your video in Filmora. Now, I hope you liked this video. I hope now you understand how to crop. And if you do, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support this channel, and it really helps us to continue producing more content for you. Thank you.